Updating your primary email on WhatsApp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is current and secure. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner for Android or the bottom right corner for iPhone to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down list. Step 3. Go to account. In the settings menu, find and tap on account. This section contains all the settings related to your account information. Step 4. Update email. Look for the option labeled email or change email. Tap on it, then enter your new primary email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you've completed these steps, your primary email on WhatsApp will be updated. Make sure to keep your email secure and check it regularly for important notifications.